Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I install and style this wig from Arabella hair. So today I'm working with the 13x4 transparent lace wig, and this is the blonde highlight wig, and it's a 24-inch wig. So I decided to go for this half up half down hairstyle, and I just added some curls to the tips of the hair. So if you want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. so here's the finished look, and guys, I just think this hairstyle is so cute, and I love the blonde highlights as well. So like I said, this wig is from Arabella Hair, and this is actually my first time working with them. So they sent me the 13 by 4 24-inch blonde highlights transparent lace frontal wig. So the lace that came with this wig is a transparent lace, and it's melted so well. Yeah guys, I really like the highlights on this wig, and this is a 24-inch wig, and I've just added some curls to the tips of the hair. So you guys, let me know what you think. I think this hairstyle is so cute, and I love the blonde highlights as well. Like, it just looks really good, and it suits my skin tone as well. So, you know, yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section below. I'll list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.